Yo, let's be real. You think having a credit card makes you cool? Makes you free? Honestly, it doesn't. Not even close. Every swipe, every tap, every approved email, that's not freedom. That's a trap. You feel rich for 2 seconds. You see the numbers go up. But the moment the interest hits, boom. Suddenly, your money disappears faster than your favorite TikTok trend. And the craziest part, you're not dumb. You've been trained. The banks, the marketers, the system, they made sure you don't notice. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see the truth behind credit cards. You'll know exactly how to flip the script legally, and most importantly, you'll never fall for their lies again. This video is for you if you've ever checked your statement and thought, wait, where did my money go? You make money, you work hard, but somehow still feel broke. You thought credit cards were freedom, but the bills keep piling. By the end of these 10 traps, you'll know 1. Why credit cards make you feel rich but leave you broke. 2. How interest and fees quietly steal your cash. 3. The tricks banks use to hook you for life. 4. How to actually use credit cards to your advantage legally. You're about to see the cage behind the shiny card, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. Trap 1. The illusion of freedom. Here's the deal. Your credit card pretends to give you freedom. Swipe now, pay later. Buy what you want, whenever you want. Sounds amazing, right? Honestly, for 2 seconds it is. But the moment that first bill comes in, boom, reality hits. Minimum payments, hidden fees, late charges. It's like they trained you to love being broke. You feel like you're winning. But in reality, you're already inside their cage. Now that you see the illusion, you're already smarter than most people who just blindly swipe. Trap 2, the minimum payment scam. You get your statement, balance $2,000. Minimum due $50, and you think, phew, that's easy. Wrong. Most of that $50 goes to interest. Your actual debt barely moves. Pay $50 for 12 months. You'll still owe almost $1,800. It's like scooping water out of a sinking boat with a spoon. By noticing this, you now know the first step to taking real control. Most people never see it. You just did. Trap 3. The silent thief. Interest. Interest is literally the silent thief in your wallet. You borrow $1,000, interest 20%. You actually pay back $1,200. Do small payments? That interest compounds like a snowball rolling downhill. You're literally paying them to keep your money trapped, and they smile while doing it, all legal, all designed for you to lose. Understanding interest gives you power. Once you see it, you start to hate paying it and begin thinking smarter. Trap 4. Rewards? More like bait. Cashback, points, miles, sounds sweet. Here's the truth. The 1% cashback is nothing. They already took 20% in interest from you. Your free coffee? You paid for it 5 times over. That flight? Months of interest. You now see that free stuff is just bait. You're no longer falling for candy-wrapped debt traps. Trap 5. The late fee ambush. Miss a payment by 1 day, $35 fee. Miss by 2 days? Another $35. It's insane. And banks know you'll panic and pay because the system teaches you fear. Suddenly, the small convenience of a credit card feels like a minefield. Now you understand the power of deadlines. You can plan and never pay a late fee again. Trap 6. The balance transfer mirage. Think transferring balances is smart. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's a trap. 0% intro rates feel amazing, but they end and suddenly you're paying double. Banks lure you in with free money while secretly setting you up for more debt. You see the setup now. You know exactly when and how to use balance transfers wisely. Trap 7. Lifestyle inflation. New card, higher limit? Feeling rich? Easy to overspend. That's exactly the trick. You inflate your lifestyle to match your credit freedom, then suddenly you owe more than you earn. Awareness is power. You'll never confuse available credit with real wealth again. Trap 8. Emotional debt. Debt isn't just numbers, it lives in your mind. It's the stress, the guilt, the fear every time you check your balance. This trap is silent, but deadly. Emotional debt can destroy your confidence, your sleep, your life. Recognizing it gives you freedom. You see it for what it is, a tool designed to control you. Trap 9. The cheat code. Use credit legally. Here's the final step. Credit cards aren't evil. The trick is using them like the wealthy do. Pay full balance every month. Use rewards strategically. Track every dollar. You flip the trap into a tool legally, safely, powerfully. Now, the card works for you, not against you. You just turned a trap into a secret weapon. Welcome to the Debt Destroyer. Money is a game. Now you know the traps. Play different.